Hi everyone. So today we are going to discuss about one of the seeded functionality in accounts receivable. It is very significant feature, so which will be helpful for us to understand and send the or transfer accounting entries from subledger models to GL application. So let's get into application. The task name is manage subledger accounting options. So this is the specifically calling out the ledger. So under which ledger we are going to passing or creating accounting entries for the subledger models. So here US primary ledger is the constant for across all the subledger accounting models which we are already using. So here accounting option and system options are there. Choose which subledger application you want to see that accounting entries, how these things will be posting to GL. Select the specific application name, click on accounting option. So this is a page where it will give a lot of controlling while we passing the entries under receivable application. So ledger is US primary ledger, subledger application, receivables, rounding rules, nearest value, and general ledger entry, summarization, and reversal method, switch debit or credit based on need. And here, this is the most significant point, the checkbox called as enable posting from subledger. So this is applicable to this many events, this many event classes, journal categories. Okay. If you look at here, what are the accounting entries or what are the transactions being captured under accounts receivable application? It will comes under this specific various categories. If it is rare transaction, that is ideally you can call as invoice. That category will be, I mean to say, general category will be sales invoice. The GL is capturing this category from this place. This is the configuration. Okay, if it is passing any debit memo, credit memo, chargeback under receivable application, the category will be the same here under the event classes. So here, what we need to understand, what are the accounting entries are being creating under accounts receivable, and when you run the create accounting job under action tab, either post to ledger or accounting draft. If you run under the post to ledger, the entries will be transferred to GL and then post automatically based on this configuration. If I disable this configuration or checkbox and save the record, see here it is saying posting from the receivable subledger and US primary ledger has been modified. The changes won't be impact any existing schedule processes. Reschedule any process that use posting in general ledger parameters for changes to take effect with the new settings. Say OK and save and close. So now what is going to be happening? So forcefully we disable the checkbox. It means what are the accounting entries will be created under this subledger. It will get transferred, but it will not be posting into accounts. So let's get into application. I mean to say another screen to check that. So what is the difference between if it is enable or disable? What will be the impact? Create one transaction. Business unit. Test. Then quantity 3000. value, save. Go to action and save and click on complete and preview. Go to action, click on post to ledger. Ideally, when you run this job, what it does, it will go and validate your accounting entries, what we created, and generate the accounting entries, and then transfer to GL and post into application, the GL application, right? But here, see, view accounting. The status is final. Let's query this invoice. Save and close. Manage transactions. Click on search. Go to action. Click on view accounting. Click on expand. See here, accounting entry has been generated and transferred to GL also. But if you go back and check at the GL level, manage journals, click on search. See here, the total value is transaction for 3,270. 3,270. It is not posted to GL, but it got transferred, but not it posted. Why it is not posted? Because we disable the checkbox. We disable this checkbox. That is the reason the system not automatically posting ledgers. If you go and look at the job also, so here you notice these are the job got generated, but transferred, not posted. So this is how we can understand what is the significance of this checkbox. Ideally, this is coming from Oracle as part of your subscription, but you should not touch these things until unless there is no any business requirement. And also you should recommend to business, don't change this configuration part. It is very important, and it is dealing with the very sensitive data. Enable posting from subledger. So now we have seen that if you disable the checkbox, the accounting entries will not be posting to GL. So notice it here, right? This is the one. Sales invoice. The category is coming from sales invoice. How it is coming? Based on this configuration. If you go and look at here in the down, sales invoice. If it is event class is invoice, here event is invoice, then the category will be this is the one, sales invoice. So that is how it is. So now we will enable this checkbox and we will try to post. I will create one invoice and let's see how it works. Save. You'll get another pop-up same message. Say OK. Save and close. And then now create one accounting one transaction. Click on done. Create transaction. ES1 business unit. Easy solutions. Next. It is 4,500 price. Save. Complete and preview. Go to action. Click on post to ledger. So now the expectation is the accounting entry will get generated and transferred to GL, and also it will get posted. So that is the expectation. Take this transaction number 11767. Say OK. Cancel it and go to schedule process. Click on refresh. You see here. See, automatically the system generated the child program called post journals. Previously it was not there here. If you look at here, see here, post journals was not appearing the previous run, but now it is run. Yeah, got succeeded. So it is saying post online subledger journal entries, import journals, import childs, and then post journals, post journal for single ledger. It means accounting entries has been transferred from subledger models to GL and then also posted. So this is how we can understand this functionality, which is very, very important. Click on and click on search. You'll see that entry. So what is the total value of the transaction is 4,500 plus tax. Let's see the value here. $4,905. It got posted. This is our transaction. If you go and click on, you'll see the accounting entry. See, posted. So it means when you disable and enable this checkbox, that is a key factor for this model. Enable posting from subledgers. It is there for across all the subledger applications, but I'm giving as a demo for receivable application. So likewise, you can understand across all the financial models. Yeah. So thanks for watching my video. Please do subscribe, share, and like. Thank you.